TRAPDOORBOOM.
Welcome to Internet to TV. I'm Joey. Get comfy and let's watch. So I don't know who Petr Sarancha is. I haven't heard of him. Actually, isn't that Helium? Yeah, it is Helium. It is. I was that confused then. Okay, so he's going by his actual name now. He's not going by Helium anymore. I really like that name, Helium. It's really cool. It stands out. Like when you think of Helium, you just know who he is. It's gonna get some getting used to remembering his actual name. So this is TRAPDOORBOOM by Petr Sarancha and not Helium. The sound sounds like it's got
TRAPDOORBOOM.
oh my god, when did the start again? That like that sounds like it's got different pitches to it. Or is that just me? It probably has.
TRAPDOORBOOM.
It's all boom. Oh my god. It's all like sci-fi, like laser sounds, isn't it? Oh my god. Those laser sounds are so good. Oh my god.
TRAPDOORBOOM.
God. So talented. Sounds amazing. How's he starting it even more? What's that? Is that a water droplet? That sounds like hollow. That doesn't sound real. Where does that?
TRAPDOORBOOM.
Just like nuts in it. It just keeps adding levels onto it. So that was today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and as always, thanks for the company.